Hey, Roberto over at High Standard Roofing LLC. Chris here with J3 Innovation. Thank you for hopping on the call with me today and accepting this video offer. I'm sure you're very busy, so I'm going to try to make this short and sweet for you guys. As you can see, we're on the homepage of your site at highsrroofing.com. So, logo clickable, which is great. Love to see it. Helps with navigational purposes. And you have your email and your phone number clickable and ready. That helps with accessibility purposes. Google loves to see you get a customer multiple options to contact you. So great job there. You have your phone number down here as well. So one thing I did notice is when I hover over your services, there isn't a drop down menu. So when I click the services, it takes you to this little section on your homepage. And you guys definitely want to add a drop down menu and have all your services listed and have a separate page for them as well as having them on your homepage. That's going to help and give the opportunity for your service pages and your homepage to rank together, but also separately and take up more space in the Google search. And it's going to help you bring in more opportunities. So you definitely want to do that. And I see that you have a financial plan calculator, which is great. You guys use Hearth. That's awesome. Have a little bit about your business. You have your services, of course, right here. And you have some images of all the jobs you've done. You have an actual contact form. I love to see this because we implement this on every single site and place it on every single page as well to also help with accessibility purposes. So great job there. And you have all your information down here in a little site map. So let's talk about the main three factors, which are content, backlinks, and citations. So when you're trying to rank your site and make it beneficial for your business, these three factors are very detrimental. And the main one is content because Google loves content. It is king in their eyes. So the more the better. I highlighted your overall command content. That's everything on your homepage that Google is going to crawl as well. And I placed it into this tool right here called Word Counter. It came out to 432 words. So we found 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage alone and 500 to 750 words on your service pages is right around the sweet spot you want to target. Unless your top competitor has more, then you definitely want to beat them out in the content count. And you also want to have more authoritative and quality content than your top competitor. What I mean by that is each and every service that you have on your homepage and on your service pages, you want to explain each and every service to the potential client. And that's going to help you look like the go-to professional in Google's eyes and also the potential client's eyes. So you want to have at least a paragraph or sections for each one of these services on your homepage as well as your service pages. And you also want to target top buyer intent keywords in your content. That's going to help Google index a lot faster what each page and or section is about. It's going to help you rank a lot more easy than just not having content on there at all or those keywords to help you rank faster. And you have to throw a lot more money and a lot more backlinks at your site in order to help it rank like you want it to. So that's definitely what you want to beat them in the content count. The more authoritative and quality content and a better keyword selection on the content factor. So second factor is backlinks, but I want to take you here first and let's show you this. So as you can see in the search bar, roofing company Charlotte NC is one of the top buyer intent keywords that I typed in to find your competitor, your top competitor. This keyword gets 500 searches a month. So down below, this is the map pack area. We'll speak on that in a minute. But as you can see in the organic ranking section, Guy Roofing is your number one competitor. Let's check them out real quick. All right, as you can see, we're on Guy Roofing's homepage. They have their logo clickable, they have their phone number clickable, and all uh, their profiles as well. So, but as you can see, this is what I was talking about with the drop down of the services. See how easy it is for the potential client to get to. You definitely want to implement that on your site as well. But as you can see, let's get rid of that sticky header. I hate those. But as you can see, these guys really don't have much content explaining anything. So they don't have a lot of authoritative and quality content, but they are beating you with 704 words. So implementing what I suggested on the content count will help you crush them there. And more authoritative and quality content explaining your services will help you crush them in that part and targeting the actual keywords on your site. So that would definitely help you crush them in the content factor. So the second factor is backlinks. This is a tool used called Ahrefs. It shows behind the scenes the metrics of your site. As you can see, you guys really aren't on the board, so your site isn't being found at all because you don't have any keywords to target, and there's really no power or anything coming into your site, so nobody's finding it. As opposed to Guys Roofing, as you can see, they have a pretty good amount of trust, a pretty good amount of power. They have 8 websites, sending back 12 backlinks. They're targeting 89 organic keywords, which is bringing them over 1,000 searches a month. So what we do here is a method called copycat, where we find the best quality websites, sending back the best and most powerful and trusted links, implement that to your to your backlink profile. And you don't want to stop there. You want to add more top quality links month after month till you're crushing these guys in this number, and then you want to keep and continue to do that. So it's not easy for them to catch up. And what I mean by quality and quantity, not all backlinks are created equal. So we want the best, most trusted, and powerful links to rank your site and help give you that power that you need to get you in front of potential clients. So as you can see, let me show you a little bit of their keywords. As you can see, they have roofing company Charlotte, 500 roofing in Charlotte, 450 searches, roofing Charlotte NC. So they do have a pretty good amount of keywords here, and they are in pretty high positions, second, third, second. So you definitely want to start ranking for those keywords and competing with these guys. So the third and final factor is citations. And a citation is just your name, your address, and your phone number that you implement to as many local directories as you can, just like Angie's List, Yelp, BBB, etc. And that's going to help boost your Google business profile to the top. And you want to be in the top 3 because nobody searches more businesses, right? So, but we want to be number 1, right? Everybody wants to be number 1. So how we beat the top dog is copycat method again. We take these guys, place them into this tool called White Spark. It's going to show us where they get all their citations from. So we take their citations, implement it to your Google business profile listing. And then you don't want to stop there. You want to crush them just like in a content and backlink factor. So after you have all their citations, you add at least 1 to 2 more citation packs to strengthen and further your lead to make it that much harder for them to catch up with you and beat you all over again. So that's it. That's everything in a nutshell right there, Roberto. I hope this wasn't too much information for you guys. I hope I didn't take up too much of your time. But this is definitely how you do it and how you can start ranking your site and start bringing in traffic and more leads and business opportunity through your doors, through your website and online endeavors. So if you do want to speak with us about possibly employing us to help you do so, here is my business information. This is my website where you guys can check it out. My email where I'll send this video through. My business phone number if you want to speak with me personally. And our YouTube channel if you want to check out some of our previous videos that we've done in the past. Again, Roberto and High Standard Roofing. Thank you guys for your time. Have a blessed and wonderful day.